Also tonight, clergy sex abuse survivors in the Buffalo Diocese finally getting their day in a federal courtroom. Today they started delivering statements before a U.S. bankruptcy court judge overseeing the diocese bankruptcy case. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley has been following this story for us for years, dating back to the original lawsuit in 2019 when hundreds of child sex abuse cases were filed in Erie County. Today, Eileen was with the survivors to listen to some of the very emotional and gut-wrenching stories.
These were crimes against children, and they went unpunished.
Michael Whalen, a clergy sex abuse survivor, was the first of about 20 survivors to deliver statements Tuesday before U.S. Bankruptcy Court Judge Carl Buckeye and Buffalo Bishop Michael Fisher. Whalen was also the first to step forward 8 years ago, saying he was sexually abused by Father Norbert Ortzelitz at St. John Vianney Church in Orchard Park when he was a teen.
My abuser admitted to a couple of dozen boys, and he openly admitted, and he was able to walk free. He wasn't on no sex registry. He wasn't punished in any way.
Whalen broke down in court, reflecting on the decades of pain from the abuse, saying the priest admitted to molesting dozens of boys.
10 years before he abused me, they knew about the abuse. He was caught, but they just moved him around.
Whalen says he forgave the priest before he died in 2021. Several difficult and very graphic stories were delivered Tuesday by others. A 69-year-old survivor described how he was brutally sexually abused between the ages of 7 and 11 by Father Edward Townsend at the former Cardinal Doherty High School in Buffalo. He recalled a horrific rape in a school shower. Ann Fossler also testified about being sexually abused by Monsignor John Ryan. She said he would take her to his cabin.
Because I was so young when my abuse occurred, I really didn't have a childhood.
Bishop Fisher declined to go on camera for comment, but offered a written statement saying in part he will be listening intently with an empathetic heart and mind to these deeply personal accounts. Survivor statements will continue on Wednesday, and then 2 more dates in February, the 25th and 26th. And if more dates are needed, they will be added. In downtown Buffalo, Eileen Buckley, 7 News.